Begin by loosening up your spine with the cat-camel exercise. Perform 10 repetitions slowly. Do not push through maximum range of motion. To begin, start by laying on your back. Bend your left leg as shown and straighten your right leg. Place both hands behind your lower back. Tightening your core, raise your upper back off of the table and hold for 10 seconds. Avoid rounding your spine. Rest for 20 to 30 seconds in between each repetition and perform 2 repetitions. Now bend your right leg and straighten your left leg. Perform 2 repetitions like before and rest for 20 to 30 seconds in between. Now get into a side plank position as shown. Keeping your elbow directly below your shoulder, perform a side plank on your knees. Contract your core while maintaining a straight line. Perform 4 repetitions. Do the same thing on the opposite side. You can progress the side plank by performing it on your feet as shown. Be sure to keep your core contracted as before and maintain a straight line. Next, go onto your hands and knees. Begin by straightening your leg out behind you and holding for 10 seconds. Be sure to contract your core while performing and complete 4 repetitions with 20 to 30 second rest in between. Now perform the same steps with the opposite leg. Advance this exercise by raising your opposite arm and leg at the same time. Maintain a tight core and hold for 10 seconds like before. Perform 4 repetitions and rest for 20 to 30 seconds in between. Next, perform this on the opposite side. This exercise can be advanced further by performing a sweeping motion with your leg and hand in between repetitions. So we can continue making these free educational videos, please subscribe to our channel.